In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a sales receipt using QuickBooks Online. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure that you feel confident in handling this task independently. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. Once that's up and running, head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. On the site, you'll need to log in using your QuickBooks credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page ready to start the process of creating a sales receipt. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to locate the plus new button. You'll find this option either on the left-hand menu or up on the top toolbar, depending on your QuickBooks layout. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options. Find and click on Sales Receipt under the Customer section. With the sales receipt interface open, it's time to fill out your customer's information. If you're dealing with an existing customer, simply choose their name from your list. For new customers, you'll need to include their details like name, contact information, and any other pertinent data. This ensures that all records stay organized and updated. Once you've got the customer information in place, you'll need to move on to entering the specifics of the sale. Here, you'll choose the payment method used by the customer. This could be cash, credit card, or any other accepted method. Next, fill in the date of the sales receipt to ensure it reflects the correct timing of the transaction. Now add the products or services that were sold, carefully entering the quantity and price for each. This level of detail is crucial for accurate record keeping. Sometimes additional information is necessary, so don't forget to add any notes, apply discounts if available, or include applicable tax amounts in the designated fields. These extra details can be critical for both your records and the customer's understanding of the transaction. Before finalizing the sales receipt, it's always a good idea to preview it. Clicking on Print or Preview allows you to see exactly how the receipt will look when it's sent to your customer. This is an optional step, but can be helpful to ensure everything appears correctly formatted. Once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to save and send. By clicking Save and Send, you have the opportunity to email the sales receipt directly to your customer. Make sure the customer's email is entered correctly. If it's not already filled in, input it now. Finally, take a moment to review the email message to make sure it looks good and conveys the right information. When you're ready, click Send and Close. And that's it. You've successfully created and emailed a sales receipt using QuickBooks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.